Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make your own 2021 rewind video on CapCut. This is the result. Now let's see how I made it. The first step, download the song. I'll write the link of the song in the description box. You can download it by clicking the link. Okay, now click new project and then add a one video and then cut the video to 6.4 seconds. Like this in here. Okay. And delete the last video and ending video. Like this. Next, click plus icon in here and add 24 photo in your gallery. Now, export the song. And for the song, I'll read the link of the song in the description box. You can download it by clicking the link. And then, set each photo into 0.4 second duration like this. 0.4 second, okay? All the photo. If all the photos has been set, click text icon at the bottom and add the text. I read my 2021 recap like this. Okay. And now click bubble. Here you can choose the bubble model. I wanna choose in this one. Okay. And now click the style and then in here you can choose the font. And now zoom the text like this. Okay, now at the bottom click filter. At the bottom click filter and choose retro and click vintage. Vintage, this one. And then set the text until the end of the video like this. Finish. Now you can export the video. That's the step how to make your own 2021 rewind or 2021 recap video on CapCut. Okay guys, I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.